More and more Japanese in their 20s and 30s are now single than ever before. Government statistics show nearly two-thirds of women under the age of 34 are unmarried, despite some 3,800 firms in Japan offering matchmaking services. The prep school, which opened last month, now has about 30 students. The school accepts male students too, for whom it offers different wife-hunting classes. Instructors provide critiques about the ways in which the students dress, stand, sit, cross their legs and even get out of the passenger seat of a car. The average age of the school's female student is 30 years old. School charges an annual fee of 200,000 yen or $2,200, which allows the student unlimited access to its regular classes. At least some students seem to think it's an investment worth making, especially when their target is clear. A class on how to serve food and decorate a table to please their partners was followed by a 30-minute simulated date. At the simulation date, a student talks to a male instructor who poses as a prospective boyfriend, while the school's principal evaluates every move, expression and conversation. Experts say that with Japan's economy plunged deep into recession, many women are taking a renewed interest in marriage in the economic stability it could provide and are actively seeking a partner through konkatsu, a spouse hunting activity. Farah Qadri, Dawn News.